Hello and welcome everybody, this is Grande Gaming. I'm here today to show you how to delete a file or a folder permanently on Windows 10 or 11. Just follow me. But before we continue guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It will be a huge help for me and my team. So let's continue. If you want to delete a file permanently, all you have to do is just type shift and delete. And it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you hit yes, then the file will be deleted permanently. It will not be in a recycle bin, and it will be very hard to recover or anything else. So this is so simple. By doing this, you will delete the file permanently. I will show you another way with a software. Type here WipeFile and go ahead and download this software. And after that, just open the WipeFile and choose any folder that you want or any file. It doesn't matter, just choose a file or a folder. In my case, I will delete these two, one folder, one file. So just hit wipe and you can choose so many methods here. Just choose this simple and type yes. The files are removed. So this is it for today guys. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you need any help, please write a comment. Thank you guys and have a great day.